Is coffee good for your liver? The best morning drink for liver health. But if I told you that one of the best drinks for your liver is already sitting in your kitchen? Yes, it's coffee. But before you start drinking cup after cup, let's find out how much coffee is beneficial and who should avoid it and how to drink it the healthy way. Your liver works 24 hours a day. It removes toxins, stores nutrients, produces important proteins, and regulates metabolism. Recent research suggests that regular coffee consumption may help and protect your liver. How coffee helps the liver? Research suggests that drinking 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened coffee daily is associated with lower risk of fatty liver disease, less liver scarring or fibrosis, lower risk of cirrhosis, and lower risk of liver cancer. Coffee contains caffeine, chlorogenic acid, and other antioxidants that may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Coffee and gut health. Your gut and liver works together. Coffee may improve healthy gut bacteria and strengthen the gut barrier. This may reduce harmful substances reaching the liver. How not to drink coffee? Not all coffee is healthy. Avoid too much sugar, flavored syrups, heavy creams, sweetened coffee drinks. You have to avoid that. Choose plain black coffee or coffee with small amount of milk if suitable for you. Who should be careful? Coffee is not suitable for everybody. Consult your doctor if you have pregnancy, uncontrolled high blood pressure, heart rhythm disorders, severe anxiety, insomnia. Some people are sensitive even to small amount of caffeine. What are the other ways to protect your liver? Coffee alone is not enough. Protect your liver by maintaining a healthy weight, eating more fruits and vegetables, eating more fiber, exercising regularly, avoiding excessive alcohol, controlling diabetes, and drink enough water. The best morning drink for liver health may simply be unsweetened coffee. But remember, coffee supports a healthy lifestyle. It does not replace medical treatment for liver disease.